Okay, so for the next problem, to solve the next problem, actually the next problem is uh, let I of x is equal to integral 6 by sine square x into 1 minus cot x whole square. So into dx, and if I of 0 is equal to 3, then find the value of I of pi by 12. Okay, so this problem is asked in the year April 2024 in IIT JEE. So to solve this problem, okay, you can use this identity. So sin x minus cos x is equal to root 2 into sine of x minus pi by 4. So if you know this identity, you can directly use. Just I will tell you how to get this identity, and then we will go and solve the problem. Okay, so you know the formula sine of a minus b is sin a cos b minus cos a sin b. So here I'll take a equal to x and b equal to pi by 4. So sine of x minus pi by 4 equal to sin x into cos pi by 4 minus cos x into sin pi by 4. So next we know that sin pi by 4 and cos pi by 4 value is 1 by root 2. So take commonly 1 by root 2. So 1 by root 2 into sin x minus cos x. So okay, the previous slide you have sin of x minus pi by 4 is equal to 1 by root 2 into sin x minus cos x, and then cross multiply. So root 2 into sin of x minus pi by 4 equal to sin x minus cos x. Okay, so I am going to use this result in the next problem. Okay, so now I'll start with the integrand. First I will simplify the integrand. So the integrand is here 6 by sine square x into 1 minus cot x whole square. Okay, so now I'm going to write everything in terms of sine and cos. So you have cot x equal to cos by sine. So 6 by sine square x into 1 minus cot x whole square, you can write 6 by sine square x into 1 minus cos x by sine x whole square. And then if you take LCM, you'll get sine x minus cos x by whole square by sine square x. And then you can cancel sine square x, sine square x. So you'll get what? 6 by sine x minus cos x whole square. Okay, so that is you have here. Just I will explain here 1 minus cos x by sin x. First I'll take this term, and then I took LCM sin x minus cos x by sin x, and then again here you have what sin square x into this term. So sin square x into, instead of that term you can put this one here. So now sin square gets cancelled. You have what? Sin x minus cos x whole square. So this is actually the denominator. I simplified the denominator. The numerator have what? 6. So that's why 6 by sin x minus cos x whole square. So this is equal to, so this is the integrand. Okay. So this is the integrand. That integrand is equal to 6 by sin x minus cos x whole square. But we know that sin x minus cos x is what? Root 2 into sine of x minus pi by 4. Now I am going to use this result. Okay, so use the identity sin x minus cos x equal to root 2 into sine of x minus pi by 4. So 6 by I'll take this term, 6 by sin x minus cos x whole square is equal to 6 by, if it square this, 2 into sine square x into x minus pi by 4. So this is 3 times cosecant square x minus pi by 4. Okay, now the integrand, you know, integration of cosecant square x dx is minus cot x. So integration I of x is equal to, what is the integrand now? So this is the integrand. This integrand is equal to this one. So instead of this, I'm going to write this. Actually, originally this is the integrand. Instead of this, I reduced it to in terms of sine and cos like this. Now that term is equal to in terms of cosecant square we wrote. So that's why the integrand is what? 3 times cosecant square into x minus pi by 4 into dx. if you integrate cosecant square x, you'll get what? Minus cot x. Instead of x, we have x minus pi by 4 plus c. And this is the condition given the question. I of 0 is equal to 3. So replace x by 0. So I of 0, this is 3. So minus 3 cot x is equal to 0. So cot of minus pi by 4 plus c. So minus 3 cot of minus x is minus cot x. So cot of minus pi by 4 is minus cot pi by 4. Cot pi by 4 is 1. So minus 3 into minus 1 plus c. So 3 plus c. But I of 0 is also what? 3. So 3 gets cancelled. You get c is equal to what? 0. Once c is 0, then the I of x is equal to minus 3 cot x minus pi by 4, because this is 0. So I of x value is what? Minus 3. I of x is the given integral. Minus 3 into cot of x minus pi by 4. Okay. Now we need to find the value at I of pi by 2. So replace x by pi by, not pi by 2, pi by 12. Replace x by pi by 12. So x minus pi by 4. So pi by 12 minus pi by 4 is equal to, if you take 12 is LCM, so pi minus 3 pi. Pi minus 3 pi by 12. That means minus 2 pi by 12. That is minus pi by 6. And we need cot of x minus pi by 4. Cot of x minus pi by 4 is cot of minus pi by 6. So again, cot of minus pi minus x is what? Minus cot x. So minus cot pi by 6. We know that uh, cot is a reciprocal of tan. So tan pi by 6 is 1 by root 3. So cot pi by 6 is root 3. So here we have minus root 3. Now cot of minus pi by 6 is equal to minus root 3. Okay. So now I of 12 is equal to minus 3. What is cot of x minus pi by 4? So this is cot of x minus pi by 4 is minus root 3. So 3 into root 3. So the final answer, I of pi by 2 is equal to pi by 12. Sorry, I of pi by 12 is equal to 3 into root 3. Thank you.